imposing Ribblehead Viaduct. But just not for the viaduct this time. The Flying Scotsman is due to come over. We're not going for the classic shot. Been done a few times. Obviously had a meet up here. A few people came along. Steve and MH Photography and a few others. Daniel, optical creator. So yeah, we had a bit of a meet up here so them guys could get the iconic shot. However, I'm not going for that this time. Got about an hour before it turns up. We're going further up. We're going on to Blea Moor. And hopefully, still get Flying Scotsman with Ingleborough in the background, but we'll have a look at the signal box as well. See if there's somehow I can incorporate that. If not, it'll just be the Flying Scotsman a lot closer this time, a bit more detail to it. So, and obviously Ingleborough in the background, so when we get up there, we'll have a look around and see what compositions we can find. Try and get something a little bit different. Just walking up now, past the viaduct, come straight past. Got a nice little bridge there, leads you down. We are going a little bit further up. I've had my sausage egg butty on my little van down there, so yeah, the stomach's full. We're going to have about an hour to wait. So yeah, making us way further up now. Quite a few photographers on the mound up there, getting ready, but we're making that a little bit more of an effort. Going a little bit further. There will be one or two people around here. So yeah, we'll see when we get up here anyway and see what's what. Right peeps, so I've got set up now. This is looking straight down the track. We are just a bit above the track, so you can actually see the tracks. We are going to get the signal in as well, and the signs. But obviously, with it sweeping round the corner as well, you have Ingleborough in the background. So yeah, I've got the 24-105 lens on, just so I can zoom in a bit, and then start to zoom out as it gets closer and closer. So yeah, we'll have a couple of shots from here. With this sky as well, it is due to give out rain. So we have got some nice dark sky coming up. So I've got a time lapse going as well. So I think a couple of these might be black and white, especially with that sky, because I'm going to darken that sky down quite a bit. So yeah, we'll wait for it to come anyway. If I get a chance, I'll put the drone up and track it coming round as well. It won't be a massive vlog this, probably about 5-10 minutes. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll come back to you when a train comes. And then hopefully the Flying Scotsman. So yeah, I'll bob you on when that turns up. That is wide, I'll say, that is wide, and that is fully in. So when it gets roughly to them, coming down to these signs, it'll be straight on 105mm. I've got it on zone focus as well, and focus tracking, just so I can track it as it comes along. So yeah, all set up, ready to go. So yeah, when it does turn up, or if we get one in the meantime, I'll bob you back on and we'll take it from there. As you can see there, quick test shot, so I'll bob this on for you, it's a little passenger one, just get us focused and that all sorted, so ready for when Flying Scotsman comes over. So yeah, nice little test image there for you. Right, peeps, got the drone up now, so that should be filming it coming across the viaduct now. Hopefully you'll see it comes past as well. So yeah, you can see it now going down. There you go, look. I'm keeping the drone in one place at the minute just so you can see it. You should be able to see the steam coming around now with the drone. And then I'll flip the drone around so you can see it going past as well. Yeah.
I'm going to race it.
Look, I've got a bit of steam coming out as well. Well, hope you enjoyed that, peeps. What I'll do, I'll post all the final images on now. So yeah, bit of a short and sweet one this, but yeah, I hope you're enjoying that. Have a more or less a trackside view of the Flying Scotsman. So yeah, if you enjoyed it as always, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.